You got that good for real. I believe you now. I didn't believe you earlier, but I believe you now. Talking. Oh, your kids are here? Those are your kids?
Yeah.
They came out the good? Those boys came out of the good? Look how happy your boys are. Laid back, they ain't angry. That's what that good does. Good has laid back boys. You get bad. Those are angry mothers. Fuck, bro. Talking about my mama. Oh, your mama ain't got that good. Why you so angry, bro? I'm just saying, man. My boys are gonna be laid back. They came out of some good too. Hell yeah, they did. Yeah, good. I don't know if that's a conversation you have with your boys though. Dad, what was mom like when we was little? Oh, that pussy boys. I've had some pussy in my life, but never you like your mama's. That was that Japanese A1 Wagyu.